Hello everyone, in today's video we are heading to Royal Oaks Bike Night just north of Detroit, Michigan. I'm along for the ride with a few people. Ducati Poppy is to my left. I'll Fight You, if you follow him on Instagram, is behind me, and Led is also behind me. You guys know Led and Zach from previous videos, and you know Ducati Poppy from Instagram content galore. So let's go riding. So as we make it down there, let's talk about what's going on. It is my first ride back in Michigan. As you guys know, I've been in Colorado for a while, a few weeks out visiting my family, and obviously I took my Ducati Panigale V2 out there because it was just, the roads were too good to pass up on that opportunity, and hell am I glad I did, because I put on almost 600 miles while I was down there, and it was 600 miles of nothing but smiles. I got my first service done when I was down there at Airco. Cost me a sweet, I think it was like $419, which I wish they just rounded up for a solid $420. Well, Ducati Poppy's bike is real nice, real nice. But this is the first time I've been back on the bike in Michigan. I've been back in Michigan for about 4 or 5 days, just doing some house stuff, getting the house settled, going to IKEA like 30 times, going to West Elm like 30 times, just, you know, furnishing everything up. So really excited to be out and riding, that's for fucking sure. Sure miss the sound of this fucking exhaust when it goes a little crack-a-crack-a-crack-a. Wait for it. Oh, that one wasn't as good. We have to do that again. We gotta do that again. There we go. That's that crackle pop I'm looking for. Well, this person's not even in their car. It's just hanging out. Ooh, that Jeep almost just fucking smoked it.
I just want to take a quick second out of this video, pause, and appreciate this BRZ, and all BRZs, because honestly, I think they're one of the coolest looking cars on the market. Back to your regular programming.
There's this guy up here popping wheelies, going up and down traffic. Not up and down, just, you know, the same way that we're going. A nice explanation, you're welcome. Obviously we had to go see what's up because everyone likes a nice supermoto. I don't even know what the fuck he's riding. What are you riding, bruh? I see carbon tip, something. We are in Royal Oak, as that sign definitely says. This is my first bike night of 2020, which is fucking crazy. But also, I guess, because COVID, I think they've only had 1 or 2, and I've been gone in Colorado. Not a lot of opportunity for me to go to bike night. But what is this dude doing on a skateboard? Fucking lame. There you go. Oh, there's the pop! Let's hear it again. Where are we going? Oh, I see bikes. Now, where do we park? He'll figure it out. Yeah, I don't know why we chose right here. Usually park in the bank, but whatever.
Because I'm lactose intolerant, I try to get pizza as often as I can.
So it seems like doing hot laps around this fucking block is a thing. So I kind of want to do that. So we've been here for about an hour, got some za as you can tell. We're gonna go head out, ride around a bit, because it's just too nice.
So from here, I didn't really have much else to say. We just continued to ride around Woodward for another like 45 minutes until the sun got completely out of the sky. It's so nice to be able to just ride around during the summer without having to think about getting too cold or whatever, anything like that. But if you guys just want to like stick around for the next few minutes, just gonna be doing some fatty pulls up and down Woodward. So hopefully you're into that. If you are into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That would be lovely. And if you're doing the subscribe button, hit that like or the little bell button as well, because that really helps me grow. So that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching.
GoPro, stop recording.